Hi, this is Shaumya Sarkar from Redefine. Exactly a few months back, one of my client called me and asked me that market is falling. That a lot of problem happens in US, a lot of problem happens maybe happen in India. So what should I do? Should I pull out the money or should I remain invested? I told him that if you have been a disciplined investor and a long-term investor, you should remain invested. Now today, in last 2 3 days, we are seeing the same thing. The market is rebounding. If you're looking at today, the market is almost up by 2%, mid cap up by 2.5% almost, and others, all sectors are in green. Definitely, because of US tariffs and there are a lot of uncertainty which has been coming with the new administration, market are slightly nervous. But if the person would have taken out the money at that point of time, then probably you would have taken out at the loss rather than today's, which has giving him a much more appreciation of his portfolio. So for all investors, it is important that you invest into right kind of products and then stay invested for a long period of time, depending upon your goal and requirement. A lot of clients, what they do is that they take out the money when the market is down and try to time the market and reinvest it at the bottom or something. It's very difficult to find out the bottom. It is very difficult for everyone to check where exactly the bottom is and then invest the money. If you have been given the time, then obviously your money will get much more better growth than timing the market. So that is the reason we say stay invested and stay disciplined. It is most important to spend time in the market rather than timing in the market. Thank you for watching this video. This video is for educational purpose only, not recommending any buy, sell or anything. If you want to do any kind of advice, it is important that you should contact your financial advisor and resolve your queries. If you like it, you may subscribe to the channel and share it with someone who you like with. Thank you for watching.